Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing video, I had a lot of fun with this one. I'm going to be drawing Super Mario in his Adidas tracksuit. As I'm sure most of you are aware that have watched any of my videos in the past, I always start by freehanding a sketch in, and I always use Caran D'ache pencils, and in this case I'm using a 2H pencil. This is a very light pencil and it allows me to make adjustments very easily, make corrections whilst I'm going through this planning stage. Now, I've been asked an awful lot recently over on the Facebook page and the Instagram account, how do I freehand the drawings in, and have I got any tips for people out there that are trying to learn to do some more freehand work? And what I would say is have a look at your reference image or whatever it is that you're drawing and try and find some very basic shapes. As you look at Mario here, I started off with a circle for the head, I started off with some rectangular shapes for the arms and the body, and the same for the legs. And then I went in for the turtle underneath with just some rudimentary sort of hexagons and shapes that anybody can draw. And then what I start to do is I start filling out the details. For the rest of the drawing, I'm using Copic markers. Copic markers are an alcohol-based marker pen that allow you to layer different colours on top of each other, but also allow you to blend one colour into another one to give you a smooth gradation. This is fantastic for cartoon work, and I've actually been starting to do some realistic artwork as well with a combination of the Copic markers and Prismacolors. So if you haven't seen any of those, check them out. I'll leave a link up above for some of my realistic Copic marker work. I'm really happy with how they turned out. And I just love the versatility of the Copic markers, and the Prismacolor pencils, or any coloured pencil, will lay down very nicely over the top of the Copic markers. If you're enjoying this video and you're into art video tutorials, fan art, realism art, then I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and turning the notifications icon on. I am currently pumping out about 3 to 4 videos a week. I'm doing daily requests, so if you send me a request over either on my social media platforms, where the links are all in the descriptions below, or you can leave a comment down below in this video, I will endeavour to get your request done. It might be a character that you'd like me to draw from one of your favourite series, or it just might be a technique that you'd like to learn to draw. Maybe you're struggling with an aspect of your graphite drawing, like drawing white or blonde hair. So leave me the comment down below. This drawing took me about an hour and a half in total. I had a lot of fun with it. The final highlighted areas there that you can see going into Mario's hat, I use a Signo Broad pigment pen. This is a white pen and it just brings out some of the highlights, and I really like using this towards the end of my drawings. For the background, I'm using a Prussian blue Copic marker, and I'm using something called a comic panel. This is where you colour a background in and leave some of the characters standing out over the edges, and it just makes Mario look as though he's popping off the page. I've had a lot of fun with this drawing, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.